MoonPay remains one of the go-to on-ramp solutions for people who want to convert fiat into crypto quickly. And in 2025, the service still sells the same core promise: fast, simple purchases without wrestling with complex exchange order books or unfamiliar wallet flows. Onboarding is straightforward. Choose your coin, enter an amount, verify your identity, and within minutes, you can often receive crypto in your personal wallet. And that simplicity is the product's main strength, especially for newcomers who simply want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a trending alt without learning trading mechanics. Behind that convenience, though, are trade-offs that matter. Fees. Card purchases and instant payment rails incur noticeably higher fees and wider spreads than what experienced users pay on regulated exchanges, and those costs add up quickly if you buy often or in large amounts. Bank transfers and ACH can reduce fees, but introduce delays that defeat MoonPay's instant selling point. Compliance is robust. KYC and AML checks are enforced across jurisdictions, which improves safety but can also lead to frustrating verification delays during busy market periods. Users report waiting hours, sometimes days, for documents to clear. Security practices are solid: encryption in transit, partnerships with regulated processors, and a bias toward routing to self-custodial wallets rather than custodial balances in many cases. That's positive for users who care about holding private keys. Customer support has improved year over year, but it still struggles under peak loads. Expect reasonable support for simple issues, slower responses for complex disputes. Another practical downside is geolocation. MoonPay is broadly available, but not everywhere, and local payment options, accepted currencies, and regulatory constraints vary by country that can complicate pricing and availability. Finally, the platform's UX is clean and focused on conversions, which means it emphasizes purchase flow over portfolio management or deeper exchange features. If you want order types, margin, or advanced routing, you'll need a proper exchange. In short, MoonPay is legit, fast, and safe in the context of on-ramps, but it's not the cheapest option. Choose it for speed and simplicity, not for the best price, and always compare fees and routes if cost matters to you.